Okay, so I'm not sure I'm going to make a full video on this, but this is the EEPC 1015 PEM, which just came out from ASUS. Sadly, it comes with a 250 gig hard drive, which I don't want to use, and I've been looking up online, how to take the case apart, which few people seem to have documented. So let me just put some advice out there. Someone else can write a full thing. When you turn the laptop over, you're going to find the standard case layout. What you want to do is you want to remove these 4 size 0 Phillips screws, which are quite tightly positioned. Then you want to jam a regular screwdriver into this little gap in here on this side and this side, and that's going to pop the keyboard up, and you're going to see it's kind of loose. It's coming off the laptop, and then you're going to be able to start lifting the keyboard up here, and you're going to have to use a screwdriver to just work your way around the edge and pry the keyboard up very carefully, and then you can get at the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and like I said, I'll write this up and just put some comments online, and hopefully someone else will make a full video with some nice photos and not just their cell phone camera at the wrong time of day, so the lighting is horrible in here. All right.